Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. In our previous lecture, we do question number 2, 3, 4 of exercise 1.3. Today we start review exercise question number 1. 4 options are given against each statement. Encircle the correct one. The first statement is if A is not a member of a set A, then symbolically it is denoted by. The first option is A belongs to A, or A element of A minus A not belongs to it, or not element or member of A intersection A. So the right answer is C. The next statement, which of the following is not a set? The first option is a set having 3 elements. Second is also a set. Third is set, but the fourth is not a set because 2 is a repeating element. In a set, there is no repeating element. The next is the number of a subset of a set, which is 0 is. The first option is 1, second is 2, 3, 4. According to the subset formula, 2n and n is equal to 1. When we putting the value of n, we get 2. It means that the subset of this set are 2. The first set is always empty and the second is 0, which is itself. In the next, a set consisting of all subsets of the set X is called, this is a definition of power set, because power set is a set consisting of subset. The first option is subset, universal set, and then power set, superset. The correct option is power set. The next statement, for 3 sets A, B and C, A union B union C is equal to, this is the associative law of union, and in associative law of union only the place of bracket will be changed. So the correct option is A union B union C. The other option is not a correct, because in first option A union B intersection C, then A intersection B, and in fourth option A intersection B intersection C. So only the C option have union. So this is a correct answer. The next is, for any 2 sets A, B, A minus B complement is equal to. There are the 4 option. Let we have 3 sets U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is 1, 2, B is 2, 4, 5. According to the question, A minus B complement is U minus B. We write the value of U and then minus B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2, 4, 5. And B complement equals to 1, 3. In B complement, we write the values which are just in universal set, not in set B. And then A minus B complement equals to, A is 1, 2 minus B complement is 1, 3. So the answer is 2. There are 4 options in question. So option 1 is A intersection B complement. A is 1, 2, intersection B complement is 1, 3. And we get 1, which is A intersection B complement. In second option, A complement intersection B, A complement equals to U minus A. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus A is 1, 2, and the A complement equals to 3, 4, 5. A complement intersection B equals to, A complement is 3, 4, 5, intersection B is 2, 4, 5. And then A intersection B equals to 4, 5. Third option is A intersection B. A is 1, 2, intersection B is 2, 4, 5. And the intersection of A, B is 2, because 2 is the same element in both sets. D option is A union B. A is 1, 2, union B is 2, 4, 5. And the union of the both set is 1, 2, 4, 5. So the answer of option C is equal to the question, which is A minus B complement. So the correct option is C. The next statement is, if U equals to 1, 2, 3 to 10 and A equals to 2, 4, 6 to 10 and B equals to 1, 3, 5 to 9, then A minus B complement is equal to, first option is U, second is B, C is A, and D is an empty set. We have 3 sets U, A and B. A minus B complement equals to, firstly we solve bracket A minus B. The value of the A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus value of B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and we write only the elements which are not in B, only in A. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are only present in A, and A minus B complement equals to U minus A minus B. U is a universal set, so write the value of U, then minus A minus B, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We write only the elements which are not present in A minus B. This is equal to B, and the right option is B. The next statement, when we write the power set, we see that the first set is empty and then A, then B, then A, B combined together. It means this is a set. So the right answer is D, because A option is empty set, B option is A, C option is B, and D option is A, B. So the right answer is D. The next statement is, this is an empty set, then empty set complement is equal to also a empty set, because there is no element in the set, so the correct option is C. Question number 3 of review exercise, write all the subset of the following sets. Here A is equal to E, F, G and B equals to 1, 3, 5. A is equal to E, F, G. Before we write the subset of set A, we put formula which is 2n. Here n is equal to 3 because there are the 3 elements of set A, and we get 8. It means that when we write the subset of set A, it must be 8 subsets. So the first set is empty, then singleton set which is E, F, G, and then 2 elements E, F, E, G, F, G, and then subset itself which is E, F, G. The next is B equals to 1, 3, 5. Before we finding the subset of B, we use formula which is 2n. Here also the value of n is equal to 3. So we get 8. It means that there must be 8 subset of set B. The first subset is empty set, and then 1, 3, 5, then 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 5, and then set itself which is 1, 3 and 5. The next is write all the power set of A, B, C. So let A, B, C is a set named as B. By finding the subset of set B, before we write the power set, we find subset, use formula 2n, n is equal to 3, so we get 8. It means that there are 8 subset of set B. The first set is empty, then A, B, C, A, B, A, C, B, C, and then set itself. To write the power set of set B, just draw a curly bracket in the start and in end. Next, verify De Morgan's law. If U equals to A, B, C, D, E, which is a universal set, A equals to D, E, B equals to A, B, C. A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. This is De Morgan's law. And according to the first part, left hand side A union B complement A union B equals to, here A is D, E, union B is A, B, C, and the union of the both set is A, B, C, D, E. A union B complement equals to U minus A union B. Here U is A, B, C, D, E minus A union B is A, B, C, D, E. The answer is empty set because the element of the universal set are also the element of A union B. So the answer is empty set. Right hand side A complement intersection B complement. Here A complement equals to U minus A. U is A, B, C, D, E minus A is D, E. So we write the elements which are just present in universal set, which are A, B, C. And the next B complement U minus B. U is A, B, C, D, E minus B is A, B, C. The answer is D, E because D, E are not the element of B. Then A complement intersection B complement. A complement is A, B, C. Intersection B complement is D, E. There is no same element in both sets. So the answer is empty set. Therefore, A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. The next, A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. Left hand side, A intersection B complement. Here A is DE, intersection B is ABC. So the answer is empty set because there is no same element in the both set. A intersection B complement equals to U minus A intersection B. U is A, B, C, D, E minus A union B is empty set. The answer is A, B, C, D, E because all of the elements are in universal set, not in A intersection B. Right hand side equals to A complement union B complement. A complement equals to U minus A. U is A, B, C, D, E minus A is D, E. We write the elements which are present in only universal set, which are A, B, C. Then B complement equals to U minus B. U is A, B, C, D, E minus B is A, B, C. So the answer is D, E because D, E are just present in universal set. Then A complement union B complement equals to A complement is A, B, C, union B complement is D, E. So the answer is A, B, C, D, E. And the answer of right hand side and left hand side equal. Therefore, A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. The summary of this chapter. In this chapter, we learn about set, subset, empty set, proper set, improper set, A intersection B, A union B, then some laws and verification of laws, commutative law of union, commutative law of intersection, which is A union B equals to B union A intersection B equals to B intersection A. Then associative law of union over sets, associative law of intersection over sets, which are equals to A union B union C equals to A union B union C. And then intersection A intersection B intersection C equals to A intersection B intersection C. Distributive laws A union B intersection C equals to A union B intersection A union C, which is distributive law of union over intersection. Then A intersection B union C equals to A intersection B union A intersection C, distributive law of intersection over union. Then De Morgan's law, A union B complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement equals to A complement union B complement. Then we learn Venn diagram through different examples and questions. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.